Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Mscoco lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 24 inches and it's body wave. The hair came in this cute packaging. The pink package includes all the amazing goodies that you can use to style your hair, which I am loving right now. And yeah, it comes with an eyelashes, it comes with baby hair comb, it comes with an hair clip, it comes with a wig cap, it comes with a sleeping cap, it also comes with, you know, a band, and it comes with a pink packaging where you can store your hair when you're done, you know. That's really amazing. I like that. I also like this cute box packaging as well. It's so stylish and very cute. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. As you can tell, the hair is colored hair and the texture is body wave. Look at that. I love the wave pattern of the hair straight from the box, and I love the fact that the hair is really full. You don't really need to do much with this hair. You can actually wear this wig glueless because it's a glueless cap. The construction of the cap comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also has an elastic strap as well. As you guys can tell, they also have baby hair around the perimeters of it. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I install the hair. It's very simple. It's very easy. All you need to do is just cut the excess wig from your hair tab and then place the lace on your head to measure from ear to ear, and then cut out the excess lace, if that makes sense. I really love this hair. I love the hairline. I love the fact that the hair is really full as well. Look at that. The hair is really full from top to the brim. I love that. And I also love the fact that the color pattern is just amazing. So yeah, I cut off the excess lace and then applied the glue on my forehead, where I was going to place the lace of the wig. I actually applied the glue all over my forehead this time, because normally I always just glue my hair top, but today I just decided to glue the hair all around. So yeah, everything I did in this video is just self-explanatory. As you guys can tell, I applied the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace. I did the same thing on the other side because I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, and when I'm done with my left side, I went to the right side and then the center, and I waited for the glue to go invisible and then place the lace exactly on the area where I applied the glue, and then press it down with my comb, and that was it. That was all I did. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, you don't have to use any glue or gel to install this hair. The cap is glueless. You can use the elastic strap in the cap to install your hair and you will be good to go. And bear in mind that you can part this hair anywhere you like. You can go for center part, you can go for half part, you can go for any part of your choice. I then applied the wax stick on the hair just to emphasize on the parts. The hair also comes with parts straight from the box, so you don't really need to do much with this hair, to be honest, because everything has been done for you straight from the box. All you need to do is just cut your lace and you will be good to go. I love this hair color. It's just so fantastic that it's so versatile, and you can style it and curl it and tongue it, and then dye it again if you're tired of this hair color, which is really amazing. I love the hair color. It's so good, and I love the fact that the quality of the hair remained intact throughout the styling of the hair. As I said, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. I also like the fact that the hair is really full to the brim. There was no nasty smell whatsoever, and I am still wearing the hair as I speak, and I didn't experience any shedding still. I love the lace of the wig as well. It's so soft and very easy to work with. I was able to stick the glue I was able to lay the hair on my glue, and it melted into my skin. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so easy to work with, and I'm so happy, like really happy that I can actually change the color of this hair without needing to bleach the hair, which is amazing. And the hair took 2 curls. Look at that. Look at that. Show me the laces. Like, show me the lace. Bear in mind that you can go for baby hair if you like, but I decided not to go for one because I am loving this hair without any baby hair whatsoever. But feel free to style your hair with baby hair if you like. So yeah, voila, I loved it. I really loved it. So yes, look at that. And the hair is also true to length, by the way. It's 24 inches and it's below my belly button, which is really amazing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Mscoco lace frontal wig. I am loving it, guys. Look at that. The hair is so fluffy and very soft. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the highlight is just amazing. I love the hair color. The hair color is absolutely stunning. Look at that. I've been running my hands through the hair since and I didn't experience any shedding whatsoever. I like the fact that the hair is really soft and very silky to touch. Look at that. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. And I love the fact that the highlights are just in the perfect place. Like seriously, it makes the hair even more versatile, as you can style it anyhow you like and you can still get that popping highlight. It gives different dimension to the hair depending on you, depending on how you pat the hair. I love the fact that the hair is really versatile. The fact that the highlight of the hair makes it more versatile, meaning you can, you know, pat it anywhere you like and you still get a different dimension to the hair, which is one of the amazing thing I really like about this hair. I like the fact that the hair is also true to length. The hair is actually 24 inches, but it got up to my belly button, which is really amazing. The amazing thing that I really love about this hair is the quality of the hair, guys. Look at that. The quality of the hair is really amazing. Apart from the fact that the hair is soft and no shedding or tangling, the hair also feels really silky to touch. Look at that. And I love the volume of this hair. It's really full and very fluffy. Despite the fact that the hair is colored, the quality is still intact. Like seriously, I love how silky and how soft the hair is, and I love the fact that the hair took to curls really well. So if you guys don't know Mscoco hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They sell all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have headband wig, they have all types of hair on their website, and they also have colored hair. As you can tell, they have all types of hair texture as well. They have silky straight, they have body wave, and they have curly hair as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you definitely find something on their website for you or your loved one. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this hair based on the fact that it's a colored hair and the quality of the hair is still fantastic, like amazing. I love the fact that the quality of the hair is so good. Despite the fact that it's a colored hair, you still get that amazing quality out of this hair. Another thing I like about the brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which is one of the amazing things I like about the brand. I also like the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that when you're tired of wearing this hair color, you can always add any color of your choice on the highlighted area, which would even give you more fantastic option for you to wear your hair in different colors without needing to bleach your hair whatsoever. So that's just amazing. I love Feel free to check out Mscoco website. I'm sure you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.